Brunswick Steel is a processing facility in Manitoba that produces custom steel products. With a new focus on lean manufacturing, Brunswick Steel developed a plan to streamline their production processes.
Phase 2 of the project was to bring in a new laser system, which is going to also improve our workflow and capacity in that department. Also, it increased demand on our brakes. So we identified a third brake was required, and the existing crane system needed to be moved into another building closer to the material. We found motion was one of our biggest wastes in the building.
After on-site consultations with Acculift, the decision was made to remove, then relocate and expand an existing crane system. The existing system was 23 feet long and was supported by 2 columns at one end and was ceiling hung at the other end.
Within a couple of weeks, again, we had engineered drawings up. We had a good plan in place to retrofit that and set it for 2 brakes instead of 1.
The new system reused all the components of the previous workstation and was expanded to 43 feet. By reusing and relocating existing equipment, they were able to realize significant cost savings.
So by having this crane system added to our facility, we were able to take jobs that used to be 2 to 3 person jobs, and we're reducing it to a 1 person job at this point.
The first work cell has an intelligent lifting system with a powered vacuum lift, giving the operator exacting control of the material. The second work cell has a hoist, hook, and clamp system for faster processing speeds.
It's improved our safety in the area. It's improved significantly our efficiency as well. And this is the first of many steps that we're working towards with Acculift.